Hi everyone, good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. So I want us to listen to what Vicar said. I don't want to say much because I want you to hear him first, so that when we talk, then you can now see the angle where we're coming from. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel and put your comments at the end of the video. Let me know what you think about everything we are going to discuss in this particular video. You see, sometimes we cannot just ignore, some of this nonsense coming from these people. Like I said, I don't want to venture into it until you hear him, because he claimed that he has some advice from Mazi Kanu. And some of you may be like, okay, Mazi Kanu, I don't want to talk about it. Let it, whatever that you want to say, let him say. No, it is wrong, because after giving that kind of advice, although it's not an advice, it's an insult. But when you want to insult somebody and you are insulted, you decide to insult that person in a coded way, like in a manner by which people may not see it as an insult. But if you look deep, if you look closely, you can see that what this person is saying is an insult to that person. You know what I mean? So hear him. I'll be right back. Pay close attention.
were ugbu a yọwa ndị mmadụ arịrịọ bikos ịrụrụ ala n'ala Igbo. Unu niile ndị na-abịa akpọ mmadụ iyi n'ihi a na-ekwupụta arụ Nnamdi Kanu kpara n'ala Igbo si ya n'azọ nwere onwe. Oge ga-abịa ihere ga-ejuchu unu anya, ndị ma ihere ga-eji eme unu. Onye ọbụla na-amaghị mgbe ị ga-agbakọta egwu gị kwụsị egwu ọ egwu kwụsị gị na-agba, onye ahụ ihere ka ọ ga-eji apụ n'ọgbọ. Ọnwụ na unu mara ihe, unu ga-ahụ na ọgwụ Nnamdi Kanu gwụrụ emega expire. Anyị nwa hụrụ ya n'oge mgbe anyị bidoro na-ekwu n'okwu na-asọpọtụ ya, na-ekwu okwu Biafra, anyị che na mmadụ ka ọ mgbe anyị họpụtara.
I am sorry to jump in because the lie is actually very kind of, though I played it but not to the end. But I think it's better that we'll be pausing it and responding sharply, so that we will not skip anything. First thing for this man he has never been a supporter of Nnamdi Kanu. He's a chameleon. Like today he will be white, in tomorrow, maybe before tomorrow, just few hours, you will see him turning to purple. Then again, you see him again jumping out, shouting in a red color. So his own inconsistency is second to none. This is people like Femi Fani-Kayode, wear beret face. Anything that comes, he will jump in and begin to trend with that. This guy, Femi Fani-Kayode, Chidi few couple of them, but these are the one I can remember now. People that once this is moving well, people are enjoying something, or that is trending, something that's giving view. You see them silent that. So he said, criminal hiding with the Bible. How you saw what? This man should I remind you that this man was a follower, a supporter of Ebukobi. Later he switched back. He was actually criticizing P2B. Later he joined and began to talk about P2B.
Mgbe m hụrụ aghụghọ ya n'oge ka m bidoro nzọnye ụkwụ mapụta nna Chinọka.
Did you hear what that? Pay attention. Ya zọnye ụkwụ ya pụta, zọnye ụkwụ again.
Correct, ya mistake. Ama m na pattern.
Ya zọnye ụkwụ ya pụta. Nzọnye ụkwụ ma pụta. Nzọnye ụkwụ ma pụta. This man you are seeing here, this is his own lifestyle. His lifestyle. And he wants advice. Today, he's praising Nneka Chimese, pineapple haircut woman. Now, ask this lady, she's a lady, to be honest. Ask this man, ask him, you are married, right? So why is it that your wife cannot come out and begin to do what join Nneka Chimeze? I mean, since what Nneka Chimeze is what you are praising Nneka Chimeze, what she's doing is that in what praising, like it's good to praise her, right? Tell your wife to come out and join. At least they will let them team up. Ndozo from where? Why can't you tell your wife to join? Because what Nneka is doing is good, right? Introduce your wife to Nneka Chimeze, Kafana run program together. Although you are known to suppress, women, so I have seen how you are ranting on your, shouting on your wife in your live broadcast. I watched that. I said it before. So I think I'm not the only one that will notice that. Listen. Now, this is, remember, he's a prophet, so a prophet. So meaning that he can see future, he can see the unseen. And this man that can see and unseen, he can see the unseen, as a prophet and all that. He told you now, as a prophet, you should know whether you need to Zoyonko. That one in first place. You got back and forth, meaning that you are confused, you are not sure, but you are a prophet. Again, you said that Mazi NNamudi Kanu na. I hope you verified it, because we need to know also. Okay, and they will be saying this while hoping that they need the assistance from the government, state government, local government, commissioners, senators. The question is, are they also Fanakwa for Barato, or their hands are clean from Obara? I'm just saying. Because for you to be vocal, looking for Nakwa for Obara, which is good, I don't support anybody Nakwa for Obara. All right? But difference between me and you is, I'm just giving an example, because many of you don't even care what I feel, right? I'm just saying. Now, difference between me and you is that I want to be sure. I want to be sure. Maybe you know something about Mazi NNamudi that I don't know, but why can't you present it? Because what you're saying is, it sounds like you have verified, you have evidence, and all that. When we ask you, what's your evidence? You'll be running helter-skelter. Just like when some people said that Dr. Ngozi Rebeze is working hard for PM to be repatriated or be forced back to Nigeria. When we ask the evidence, they started telling us that they are preparing to come and give one of the best exposition, that once we hear that, Ngozi will pack her load and go. Okay, waited for 1 week, 1 month. Where's the exposition? Don't worry. So you cannot see the exposition. We have been doing this. Where is the exposition, Oga? Nobody. They couldn't do anything. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Not only just we go to first of it. Lazuba as well. Many of them have said, the fact that Abraham exposition, Gambo, the mother of all the exposition and all that. Once they finish it, everybody will run on their way. Things will be normal. We have been waiting and waiting and nothing. They have shown us nothing. Please pay close attention.
Now, the clock is tilting that na ayande made mepewala. Many more people, many Ikenguruagos, many Nolonekas will come out very soon. Mark my word. And they're coming out.
Make sure your wife will join them. That's my request. They are coming out, and the coming out is good, and evidence, they have evidence. Make sure your wife will join them. Because it's something that we're doing. It's actually a work of God, It's a very good thing to do. Please get your wife involved. Very, very important. At least your wife will know how to remove the remaining things. Covering the mother, like you are removing it from this man. Jump like wow. Okay, let's continue.
Ujo in the DOS, now many people now toya Ujo Hano Square.
DOS is not about Ojo. But because you're actually one of the moron, to be honest, even though you're living in America, I used to think that people that live in America are actually, people that want it, like people that merit it. But no. I'm seeing some different thing now. But like I said, you claim that ụjọ na-atụ apụgo ọbụla ụjọ. Try to know difference between ụjọ and respect, like fear and respect. Try to know that. And people that have the dubious character, many of the DOS that we are talking about today, their mindset is totally different from what you think you know. These are people who have been pushing for IPOB to be converted to a pressure group, maybe political party, something in that line. And they are not getting it, they're actually frustrated. Okay, let's continue.
I was hearing Biafra child. Man, say, within the Biafra child are coming.
They say no, you believe it. So, Chita no, you got for Biafra child. Chocho, you got not forget about Biafra child. Biafra child that knows nothing. What did he know? What do you actually know Biafra child? He said that he did his money to be returned. Asked him, how much is this your money? He said 400 euro. 400 euro that he contributed. That's what Mazakan is. He's using that to lodge the most expensive hotel, and he's using private jets, and he's carrying women up and down. He lodge, he buy house, he buy porch, like you guys are claiming for a woman. He bought a porch for a woman and all that. That is Biafra child for you. And when in one of the conversation between Biafra child and Methuselah, Biafra child said what? Okay, what did he say? He said that it is $400. Then the man played his video in the past. And what did he say in that video? He said that is actually
paranoid. Paranoid. I am paranoid. Paranoid. I am paranoid.
This is who you are taking serious. You want to take his words. That simply means that you yourself, you are actually not well informed. Not by age, looking at your face, people may think that you are an elder that knows your left or right. You need to, I don't know. But let's just hear him more, please.
Many of them they know the truth. Manana told you, Ana told you, but I want. He can't do me nothing because onye Chineke ya nọnyere nwe mmadụ pụrụ ime ihe a kwubu n'eziokwu. Gịnị ka anyị na-ekwu? Erizla ndị mmadụ mugu akwafesịla ọbara ndị Igbo.
Now, it is very easy to claim that somebody is looking after you. Oh, they're pursuing me. No, you can't do me nothing. Nobody is doing anything, Oga. Nobody is threatening you. You are actually just one of the backup singers. People that are in front shouting and saying they are moving freely in the homeland. Nobody is pursuing them. But you see, people that are actually looking for whom to kill, they are the ones to always raise alarm. Oh, you want to buy me. Who is the person looking for you? Nobody. Who they have said on many unprintable stuff against Ndibo. Today he's moving freely in Ndibo, granted interview. Do you understand? You are even afraid to travel from America to Europe, let alone Africa. I don't know your problem. No, I don't think that somebody is looking for you. All these people that we are talking about, they are visiting home. Nobody is going after them. Why? Because people know our people know that it's not about going after you, looking for whom to buy and all that. Because you have right for your you have right to make your comment, to say your opinion. That does not mean that that people should come after you. I don't support anybody that threaten any life, or people should go and steal so to make you look like you are the one stealing. Like what people do. They did it to PM. They use some gangsters to commit crime just to label that on PM Samonekwa. Mas Namanakano's wife is aware. And you are here, you know the truth. But because you are the one doing those things, you are one of them. In your video, you agree that you have militia. Have you forgotten that you said that in the past? And you are then trying to sound as if you are innocent of everything. You are not. You are far from anything innocence. You are not in for anything decency. And you know that you are not. You know your flop. You know you are. How can you be innocent of those things? How can it be? You of all people. You are in love with people that have questionable character. You are in love with them. You are dining and whining with them. Yet you want to comment. How can people take you serious? How can people take you serious? How? Hear him again.
So very soon, how many people will come out to expose the wickedness of Nnamdi Kanu.
You know, you forgot that a couple of months ago it was wickedness of Simon Ekpa. Wickedness of all these people, Simon Ekpa boys. Now it's now Thomas Nnamdi Kanu. You will soon convert it to wickedness of entire Igbo people. Wickedness of an Igbo is coming because the way you guys are going, you are jihadist enablers. Even though you are hiding under Christianity, you are not pure and you know your flop. You know what you do. Hear him again.
All this truth, she kept quiet because can happen.
Just like your wife also know your flop, your fake life. The same thing with your wife. But can you allow your wife to come and you don't have a secret as a husband? Really, you don't have secret. Every couple know their flaw, know each other's flaw. Can you beat your chest and say, okay, I am wishing that what Mazi Kanu's wife has done, my wife will do the same? Can you do that? You will never. Because you know what I'm doing? You love to give what you don't like to other people. As no woman, that's why you keep on saying, no, they're killing me, they're killing people. Because you guys are the one. You know.
Mama, if I former lawyer, if I a job for
just hear him now, he won't expose because this man is actually exposing Uchechi Kanu full time. This is not the first time. Because he's the one that actually throw more light that Uchechi Kanu get handed over every single part of NNamudi Kanu to Lolo. Did I say Lolo? Oh, Lolo Nekachimese. I'm
paranoid. You know, paranoid. I am paranoid. You know, paranoid. I am paranoid. You know.
These people, they are all the same. To be honest.
all my this truth. Okay, I won't happy with, but as a lawyer, he's keeping his cool. Unu chetam after me trying, law interview.
They get it.
No, interview. Go and interview the wife. They made the wife interview. No,
oh, make if I age of expose here. That if I age of guara kaya first than Jaffe uye na Nnamdi Kanu ya ga make interview to no ya ga kulo ne kachimese. No gwara ne kachimese ya ga me uye na Nnamdi Kanu interview as well. No na barata, no na barata. Three of them team up and to do this. You will hear Master Prophet saying that age of us, madam, something like that. Don't worry, I will write on that video later very soon because he Master Prophet says something there. Very interesting things.
Actually, here with evidence, Chinye and Obaka, the woman Abaka. And thank God no one deliver to speak up because when many people
you have to motivate your wife to come out like Ine Kachimese has done. That's what makes you a man. Frog. Try it.
Many people go to this truth, but I don't know how they because so Jonathan.
Blend your wife to talk better than you. With Ochitocha. Yeah?
But Chineke get creative. Oh, Ogwa Jeme Kojo Tondema the menace.
So on a go, right? Okay.
Oh, now Nnamdi Kanu money here. Gurugba you want them madarido because you're royal and libo. May say, guy, forget about idiot and then up in social media. All give much. Yeah, follow on all of you one after the other. We don't care.
You actually care, and you are actually laying cost on yourself. You are laying cost on yourself. What are you able? Oh, what the shit law gamma. You see, one thing about you is that you will talk. When people reply to you the way you talk, you say, "Oh, you are activating death then, and you that activate it, it shall be with you. It shall be with you. Is your own lukewarm? A wall on a saga. You are not invoking death. Okay, if you go one capet again. In a boom, get a camas and I'm going to make all each go on Nakatia. You have a platform, bring those evidence. No. Did you hear what Chimney said? Then who's in the to Master Manakan? In 2014, where's Nekachimese? You that is talking, you are old enough to be part of the movement. Can you present one thing that a lamb, that something that you actually witnessed on your own, apart from Okeke said, you have been there, you said, present it, let people reason along with you. But all you touch guy now call you on the they send again a course in the Bible when.
We must say the truth. We must say the truth. And then that's why.
And to you now, you are saying the truth. No one that Bible is na Igbe gave it from one work. Okwando to look after it with their beef.
I'm against in your job.
How can you be against your job? People ambassador of your job. Who delegate another one or your job is mad. Only your eyes can see that there is a person. Only you. You know, this man, so you are the most smartest in an Igbo. Carry out census or maybe just a little bit, a kind of, what do they pool? All right, set a pool on your platform, on your own platform. And then I support to the that against them. But how many percentage you get with from an Igbo? Then are you saying that you are more intelligent and more smart than all the other people?
Or Tinibu Menea, or Nande Menea, or my father Menea, even more make our job. If I don't want more get cook, I did evil.
How can you say? Oyara na go oyara mba. If you go oyara put no go oyara na go oyara na ya. No, it's quite a boy, no wonder sha.
David, see, I'm gonna make him. I jump him in the new room. If I do evil, I will.
Shut up. How can you compare yourself with David? Give up. Ha. Nah. Don't know go there.
I will not, because of one woman, I will want to be brainwashed. Now, Anna Aruna.
I'll chief on your brain can brainwash. If you go in the brain and brainwash, go and know brain uncle. I coach it also make na no bokoro. What is who will brainwash when you don't have brain? How can you wash what you don't have?
Come with 10 years ago. Can you tell me one thing women achieve apart from
that? Simply means you are an idiot. For you to ask this question, you have nothing to. You just ended the argument. Even the Yoruba people are now picking his part of his preaching. It's a can be open to know this thing. Say what you for a moment ago. One of it, although because you're not a human being. I know that people running helter skelter in your state, in Kwara State today, is, I mean, you don't care. Is he your governor that stopping Fulani? Kwara people and your state, Ekiti State, they have governors that are more valuable in the Nigerian system than your governors in the Southeast. The tendency of those governors to become Nigerian president is very, very, very high to compare anybody in Nigeria, in the Igbo land that is a politician. Now, those governors that have access to federal government that can even, if they place a call, they need emergency, assistance from federal government to send a troop to help them in their land, they will receive help faster than any state in the eastern part. Because these are second-class citizens according to Nigeria, the way they rate it. You know what I'm talking about. If I thought you still have any sense in you, although I don't know if your brain will capture that, but let me continue. Now, you are asking people to tell you what Masakana have achieved. On again and again, a protect animal. Oh, you should know Udele. Ofekike, natural, or Balumi Boga Uf. Gain Aquan. Oh, you watch a Dolokam Liberora. Now, how can you ask this kind of question? It simply means that you are one of the problem. It's not Ebola. Maybe that's where your father come from. Ebola, that Igbo Fulani that have spent time in Igbo land could be Ebola. So you may be right until DNA prove otherwise.
Insecurity occurs on Igbo.
Did you hear that? Insecurity occurs on Igbo. Just hear this man. Then ask him, insecurity in what way? How? Where? I'm disappointed in some of this nonsense. These people are saying. Honestly, it is not funny. But what can you do? What can you say? Having people like this, please let me know what you think about it. I just want to react on this. I believe you have something to say. Let me hear it from you on the comment section. And don't forget to like and share this particular this video, not a live broadcast. Share it and let me know what you think. See you again. Bye bye for now.